How to turn off Android without a power button. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up settings on your device. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom. Now tap on accessibility and convenience. Then go to accessibility. If you don't find the setting here, simply go back. Tap on the source bar. Now type accessibility. Now tap on accessibility. Now tap on accessibility menu. Now simply enable the toggle for shortcut. Now give the permissions and tap on OK. Now go back to the home screen. Now tap on the shortcut button. Now simply tap on power. Now drag the button to power off. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.